Let's talk EUHOMY's Countertop Ice Ball Maker, a model that promises 4 crystal clear spheres in roughly 38 to 40 minutes and up to around 144 spheres per day, plus a capacity weight spec around 22-pound storage and about 150 watts operational power. All the sort of headline specs that make EUHOMY a frequent pick on retailer pages. EUHOMY's product pages and vendor listings highlight easy one-button operation, an intelligent auto-clean routine, optional automatic water supply hookup in addition to the internal reservoir, and design choices aimed at producing odorless, bubble-free spheres that melt slowly and keep spirits undiluted. In practice, the brand is positioned as somewhat more value-conscious than the very highest-priced boutique units. Retail snapshots and third-party storefronts show promotional pricing that moves. I found listings clustering in the mid to high hundreds depending on region and discounts, so shoppers will often find deals if they're patient or follow brand coupons. On customer feedback, EUHOMY listings commonly show solid average ratings and a mix of video reviews. Many users praise the visual clarity and repeatability of the spheres and note the convenience of the self-clean and autofill features. Negative comments, where they appear, tend to be about initial plumbing for autofill, footprint size, or intermittent learning curve items like drain setup. For the vlog wrap-up, EUHOMY is an attractive middle ground for serious home bartenders who want professional-looking, slow-melting spheres without stepping into the highest-end price bracket. It's reliable, feature-rich, and often available with coupons. Check seller pricing before you buy. Don't forget, we share by links in description box.